Hi! Welcome to the channel, Dolan chick. Today is my Saturday and I really want to celebrate my Saturday with you because we are going to make Uyghur cookies, Pichene. We are going to make Pichene today. We make Pichene during the holidays such as Ramadan, Eid, Uyghur New Year celebrations. And it doesn't matter Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Cookie with you. Let's begin. This is all we need. Milk, sugar, white flour, eggs, baking powder, baking soda, sunflower oil, and of course we are going to use cookie cutter and rolling pin. First of all, put in the oil. Now put in the sugar. I'm going to mix it with my hand. You can of course use a mixer. Don't forget to remove that white piece of the egg. Put in the eggs. Mix it. After mixing about 3 to 5 minutes, it becomes very smooth, as you can see. Put in the milk. Continue with mixing. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Put in the flour little by little. I'm going to put in more flour to get firm batter. As you can see, it's very sticky, so be patient. Every time if you put more flour, it gets more firm texture. I just finished with the kneading and I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. And don't forget to cover it with a towel. In the meanwhile, I'm going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees. The dough is ready. Before I put it on the table, I'm going to lubricate the table with oil. Because I'm going to roll out the dough. Roll out the dough. This is the thickness of the dough. Now I'm going to cut out the cookies with the cookie cutter. When you use the cookie cutter, move the cookie cutter like this. The cookies come loose from the dough. Now I'm going to remove the excess dough. Yay! I have lots of flour cookies. And as you can see, I have sugar and egg yolk as topping for the cookies. Some people don't like to use egg yolk for the topping. You can decide it for yourself. Pick up the cookie very gentle with your hand and put it on your 3 fingers like this and put it on the top, on the sugar, like this. Now we have sugar on it. cookies are ready. Now I'm going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Let's go! Bye! The cookies are ready. After about 3 minutes, they cool down a little bit. Oh, look at this, so cute. This is back side. Look at the edges. I'm going to break it open. Look, it's very soft. Smells good. I'm going to try it. Delicious. I put them in my cookie jar. You can keep them in plastic container in dry and dark places. Pichene is ready. I hope you like this recipe. You can put it in your fridge in plastic container, and I put them in my cookie jar. It's like artwork, isn't it? Thank you so much again, and I hope you like this recipe. And if you like it, consider subscribing to my channel, Dolan, and see you next week. Bye!